Hello and welcome to Travel with T. Today we're going to go over some items that I would recommend you to bring. They are some must-have travel items for my eco-friendly travelers. So these are some items that I think are super important to always have on hand while traveling. So I'm just going to jump on into it. I've got 5 different items that I bring on every single trip that I go on. Now, number 1 is this handy dandy water bottle. So I actually have the LifeStraw because I travel internationally a lot, and a lot of places you go internationally, the water is not going to be clean from the faucet. But with one of these bad boys, you can just fill it up from the faucet and drink it because there is a filter. So you can drink this. You can even, if you're hiking, you can drink water out of a stream, put it in the water bottle. It's just the same as a LifeStraw, I think, if you are a normal camper or anything like that, but it's just in a water bottle form. Definitely an essential. This is going to help reduce all of your single-use plastic uses, and also it saves you a lot of money. Like at the airport, I'm always thirsty, and of course you can't bring water through the airport, through security. So it's always nice to have an empty water bottle so that you can fill it at the airport and you stay hydrated without having to spend the $5 it costs for a water bottle at the airport, and you save a plastic bottle. Item number 2 is straws. Portable little straws, okay? So these are 2 different ones that I have. So I have this one. I normally keep this clipped to either my wallet. Sometimes I clip it to the water bottle, anything like that. And then this one is just in a little tube that you can slip in your pocket if you'd like. So these two, they're 2 different ones. They're both silicone. I had a metal one, but I accidentally left it at a restaurant in Colombia, so I no longer have that. But so this one, it just pops on out like that, and it's easy. You just rinse it out, wash it out, put it in the dishwasher or whatever, fold it back up, pop that bad boy in there, and close it. Now, so it's super functional. Definitely use it often to reduce my single-use straws, as well as this one. It's the same thing. This one's a little bit thicker of a straw and it has a little bendy. I definitely like these ones more. This one, you can get them at Target for, I think these ones were $6 and these ones were $9. This one came with just the 1 container, and then it came with 4 of these straws and a cleaner. So super cheap, pretty for as much as you get. And then this one came in a package of 2. So there's this one, and then I think a purple one as well. So I use those often. I don't use those ones just traveling. I use them every day-to-day basis, but it's nice to make sure you pack these in your luggage. Oftentimes people forget things that you use in your everyday life while traveling, but they are still useful on your vacation. Now, I do want to say I did go to Mexico on my most recent trip, and in Mexico I wouldn't say these are the most essential thing to bring, because Mexico actually has a law now, the whole country, that all straws have to be biodegradable. So personally I still use these, but you don't have to feel as guilty using straws in Mexico because they are all biodegradable. Alrighty. Moving on to item number 3. Now this one, I was pretty skeptical about when I first tried it. This is toothpaste tablets. Okay, so let me see if that'll zoom in for you. It does not want to focus. There you go. So I have the Hello, and this one is actually, it's just a natural peppermint, so it's all natural. There's no fluoride or anything in it, and it's in an aluminum case, and you can actually refill these cases, and so you can order like a massive amount online and then refill these little cases. They're also helpful for going with only a carry-on bag, because oftentimes I find if I go with a carry-on bag and I only have one little of those like travel size toothpaste, then they're not going to last you your whole trip maybe. And these ones, you don't have to worry about it because it's not liquid. So let me show you what these tablets look like. So it's just full of tablets like that. This is what one of the little tablets looks like. You just pop it in your mouth, chew for a second, and then it like turns into a paste. Brush your teeth like normal after that. I thought it was gonna be super strange. It's funky at the very first few times you do it, but it gets your teeth clean. It's not an issue. I'm totally used to it by now, and I enjoy using this. The one thing I would say that I thought was strange was that it doesn't get like, you know, when you brush your teeth, it like you have a foamy whiteness. That's not happens because it's all natural. This just has, it's like more of like a coconutty, like a coconut oil texture, kind of. It's like a creamier kind of a texture when you brush your teeth with this rather than regular toothpaste. But it still gets the job done and done well. Item number 4 is these makeup erasers. So these I use on my normal day-to-day life as well, but I bring them traveling always. They're super easy to pack. I have the little ones just because I don't really wear a lot of makeup. It's just like a 1, 2, and then I'm all done. But these are wonderful. They're reusable little makeup wipes. You don't need makeup remover or anything. So you just get these bad boys wet, wipe them around. Sometimes I do use a little bit of makeup remover on them, just when I'm wearing like waterproof makeup or anything like that, but don't normally need it. And they are just wonderful. You can use them a bunch of different times, and then you can even wash them, reuse them. So super, super, super helpful. And it's such a little thing to pack this for your whole trip rather than a whole thing of makeup wipes. Definitely prefer this over that. Item number 5. Oh, that looks like 10. Just one hand. Item number 5. We have, come on, you knew I wasn't gonna forget it, a reusable bag, okay? Don't forget your reusable bag. You probably use one at home already, but don't forget it when you go traveling. You never know, you could run to the grocery store while you're on vacation. You could run to the little market. There's people that give you bags all the time, maybe for even your gift shopping. Make sure you have one of these so you don't have to walk around or take a plastic bag while traveling. I definitely use mine all the time, and I think it's super helpful to bring. I know a lot of these items were things that you normally would use in your day-to-day life, but I realized traveling, people often forget them. So don't forget your common eco-friendly items. I hope this video helped you guys out and that you guys thought of an extra item to throw into your bag next time you go on a vacation. If you think I missed any items that you love to bring that help you be a little more eco-conscious while traveling, make sure you leave those in the comment box below. Now, I do post videos every week, so make sure you subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your morning, evening, night, whatever time it is.